Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can be able to DIY or make your own henna paste for maximum hair growth, treat dandruff issues, and also reduce breakage. Please do well to watch to the end of the video because I'm going to give you a tip on how you can actually apply this henna for maximum benefits. If you are new here, my name is Muna and my channel is all about natural hair, beauty and feminine hygiene. Please do well to like this video. Please press the like button and do not forget to press the red subscription button and the notification button. Without further preambles, let's get started. So today, the first thing we're going to be doing is prepping our what liquid, which is our black tea. We're going to be using black tea for this henna mixture. I'm going to be using 1 tea bag of our black tea, and black tea has a natural property that helps block DHT, which is responsible for hair shedding. It also works to keep the hair firmly rooted to the scalp. And black tea also nourishes and strengthens our delicate strands. So we are going to be using this black tea now to mix our henna. So I've steeped our black tea for a while now, and that is how it's looking. That is our black tea ready to be used for our henna or mehdi preparation. The Indians call it mehdi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So now I'm going to get my bowl now to get ready for my henna treatment. So I'm going to be using henna powder. Please do well to get the right henna powder that does not contain PPD or any bad ingredient in it. I'm going to be using 2 spoonfuls of henna. Henna nourishes and promotes hair growth. I'm also going to be making use of amla for our recipe. I will be adding amla. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry. It contains essential fatty acid which strengthens our hair follicles and also prevent them from breaking. The next I'm also going to be using is aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the best herbs I love, and I will be using aloe vera powder. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme which helps strengthen our hair strands, and aloe vera is also a very good conditioner. Aloe vera also contains polysaccharide which helps in naturally strengthening and thickening our hair strands. I'm also going to be using our lime. You can use lemon or lime. Why am I using lemon or lime? For henna to be able to release its loss and dye, it needs something acidic. It needs an acidic environment to be able to release its loss and dye. So that is why I'm going to be adding lime or lemon to this recipe to help the henna release the dye, which will help us in strengthening our hair. And you know that the lozenge dye is the potent or the main potent ingredient that is found in henna. So I'll be adding the lime now into this powder in order to create an acidic environment. After that, I'm going to be adding now our black tea that I've steeped already. I'll add our black tea now to mix up the powders together. So do well to add it in little portions so that you get the consistency that you prefer. Henna is also known as Lali here in Nigeria. Henna has a whole lot of benefits. Henna nourishes and promotes hair growth. Henna also reduces hair fall. Henna directly affects the scalp, assisting in improving hair follicle health. And also, henna helps to do what? To curb hair fall and prevents hair thinning. Henna also helps to maintain scalp health, and henna helps to thicken our hair with time. You can see that slippery, yummy nature now. So please do well to get the right henna. Now I'm going to be adding our pure honey. Honey is a very good humectant. Aside that, honey helps to condition the hair. Honey also contains antioxidants, which also helps with scalp treatments as well. So I'll be adding honey now to this. Please, I got my henna and everything I used here from Afroliciousmuna. You can do well to check them out on Instagram. They sell authentic herbs. So now I left my henna for 24 hours. If you really wanted to release the dye, leave it for 24 hours or 8 hours before making use of it. So this is the next day now. Any deep conditioner of choice But right now I'm going to do a straight henna treatment. That's what I like doing. So I'm going to be applying it straight. You can see the color change after leaving it for 24 hours. So you can see hands. So you can actually get a glove for this treatment. So I'll be applying it now. Already started. So if do well to this application time, do well to apply the henna on your scalp and every part of your strands, and also apply the henna on your ends, because henna also helps to do what, to prevent what, split ends, because it's actually fill up those spaces after a long while of manipulating our hair. Our keratin, some part of our keratin will be lost. So henna helps to do what, to fill them up. But note, henna is not a protein treatment. Henna should not replace your real protein treatment. In my next video, I'm going to be doing a video on the do's and don'ts of henna and everything you need to know about henna in my next video. Please do well to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like and share this video too with your friends and family. So henna is actually a must try. If you're having issues with maybe you are having thinning strands, excessive breakage, you need to try henna. You can use henna as a mask, as a gloss, as a paste. You can also use henna as tea and even as an oil. I'm going to be telling you all that in my next video. Please let me know in the comment section your thoughts on henna. Have you ever tried henna? Did you have any difficulties using henna? What are your thoughts about henna? Because I know a lot of people have a lot of misconceptions about henna, but in my next video, I will talk about it. So please do well to drop your comments or your questions, so I will be using them in my next video. So after application, this is how my hair is looking. After applying the henna now, that's how my hair is looking. So luscious, yummy. Henna will really help you do what? Strengthen your strands. And with constant use of henna, what henna does is that with constant use, it will now make your hair, create that illusion that, oh, your hair is getting thicker, and it will elongate your strands, which will create what? A longer look and a fuller look. So, and when it comes to strengthening, henna is henna is one of the best. So making a henna paste or a henna mask, like, you can make use of henna perhaps maybe once in 6 weeks, but henna is not what you use every week. Please, it's not what you use every week. So after applying everything on all the henna mask on my strands, I'm gonna be covering it up now because I have a low porosity hair. I'm going to be covering it up now to create heat. So like the greenhouse effect, I'm going to be covering it up now. So I'm going to be leaving this henna now on my hair for just 30 to 45 minutes. Please do not leave your henna for more than 45 minutes. Please do not. And after rinsing it off, I'm going to go on now to use my moisturizing deep conditioning treatment, because I'm not doing a gloss. But I will share more on this in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed this video. So look at how my palms are looking. That shows that I actually used the right henna. That shows that the henna I used is original henna. So that's how the lossing dye has been deposited on my palm already. For like an hour, then I'll go wash it off. After an hour, I'll wash it off with lukewarm water, and then go in with my deep conditioning treatments, with my moisturizing deep conditioning treatment, then wash it off, and I'm good to go. So thank you all so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And do not forget to comment below. Let me know if you've tried henna. How did you use it? As tea, as a hair mask pack, or a gloss? Which do you like best? So please let me know in the comment section below. So thank you all so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.